my favorite place to be. This is the first time this year that I got a chance to come out here, and so happy that I went ahead and did it, because this coming week is going to be raining a whole lot. But yeah, it's been great. Today's been great. Any day that I'm spending out in the wild with water, it's great. So we're heading back to the car, but while I was coming out, there was a guy that was like some of the park maintenance saw my top, it says caution, and so he wanted to know what it was caution from, and I was like, you know, slippery when wet. But he was asking me, like, why do people come here? Why do people do this? Because he's been around here for a while. He said like 60 years he's lived out here, and he's been doing this job for a long time. And he asked why people do it. Why do people come out to like a river and just hang out? And if I were to know what the water, like what was in the water and where it came from, would I still get in it? And
that's
really,
yellow.
oh, thank you. I really didn't have to do, you know, a whole lot of thinking about it. You know, sugar is a hepatotoxin, so that's going to ruin your liver eventually. You know, you can't just drink sodas every day. It'll give you diabetes. If you exercise too much, that'll kill you. Like, there's so many things out here that like cause us harm that we continue to do, and I think it's just the cost-benefit analysis. And for some people, even though this water is probably definitely polluted, there's so many things that we encounter day by day. Just being surrounded by cars is, you know, definitely going to affect your health. And so, I don't know. I think for a lot of people, the perceived benefits of this experience outweigh the harm. It outweighs the potential sickness that it could cause you, because, you know, having a job and working every day has its own stressors, and stress will kill you too. So I think at the end of the day, we pick our poison, and for me, it's a no-brainer.